you want to access LinkedIn Premium Trial, then here's what you're going to do. LinkedIn generally offers a 1-month free trial for new premium subscribers. First, you're going to check for eligibility. You're going to navigate to the premium page right here. You can often find a link or a diamond icon near the top of your homepage, but for me, this is how it looks like. So just try to look for the keyword premium. So sometimes you can also find it from your Me tab right here. So just try to find it wherever your LinkedIn placed it. So you're just going to click on that, and then from there you're going to have to fill out all of those details that they have for you. So you're going to answer what your primary goal for using premium is. You can just say I would use premium for my personal goals, and then hit on next. You're going to click on next, and just make sure that you answer this as truthful as possible so that they can generate the best plan for you and for your account. So as you can see here, we have all of the plans available. You can just click on whatever plan that you want. You can also click on business. You can click on Sales Navigator Core, Recruiter Lite, or this career right here, and then you will be able to see this try for 0 PHP or whatever your currency is. You can just click on that, and then like I said, you're just gonna have to click on the plan type that you want. You can choose individual or duo. You're going to click on continue, and then from there you're gonna have to secure a checkout. You're just gonna have to enter your payment information like we talked about. So we're just going to wait for this page to load. Now from here, you're just going to confirm your billing cycle. You can choose monthly, you can use quarterly, or you can also do annual. So as you can see here, you're just going to have to select your payment method. You're going to enter your credentials right here. And then after that, you're just going to confirm with your order summary. You can see here that the due today is 0 or there is no due. But after your free trial, you have to pay this per year. Now after that, you're just going to click on redeem your free trial. And there you have it. You now have access to LinkedIn Premium Trial. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.